my cuties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Stand Up with Sakshi. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. I am so happy to be back here. Honestly, it's been such a long time. You guys have seen me active on YouTube Shorts, but I haven't done like a proper sit-down YouTube video, like a big sister talk. You already know like this channel. Ab to ye convert ho chuka hai channel. It's too late for you guys to complain that I'm like your big sister. I talk to you about skincare, hair care on YouTube, and I find it quite fun, and I love reviewing products. Today, the product that we're going to be reviewing is actually a product which is super hyped in the market right now. It is called Deep Treatment Packs. Now, these are extremely hyped in the market. A lot of YouTubers are making lots of videos about it. I've seen a ton. So today I thought, let me put it to Sakshi test and just check if it's worth the hype. What does it do? How do we use it? All of that jazz. So now let's get right into the video. Also, मुझे ये बताना था कि मेरे बाल, you already know कि because of my job, like I shoot every single day almost, and I apply a lot of heat on my hair on a very regular basis, which is not good at all for your hair. तो मुझे ना वो extra step लेना ही पड़ता है to take care of my hair and take that extra self-care, self-love step, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Also, look at the weather right now. It can't make up its mind. अभी sun आता है, फिर बारिश आ जाती है, दोबारा sun आता है. It's extremely hot, and I'm on the 30-day workout challenge because I gained weight during the lockdown, and I just want to be my fittest self. Like whatever size that I am, but I just want to be fit. So I'm on this 30-day challenge, which is why I sweat like a whole lot. My hair is extremely sticky, extremely frizzy, extremely dirty, like all the time. So I want like extra nourishment and extra care for my hair, which is why I'm excited to try this. Now let's get right into the video. Okay, so the products that I'm going to be reviewing are these Deep Treatment Packs from Biolarge. You already know I love the brand, like I've been using the brand. I've reviewed a ton of their products on my YouTube channel as well, so I'm quite excited about this. और बहुत सारे YouTubers ने इसके बारे में वीडियो बनाई हुई थी, तो I'm excited. Plus they're extremely fun colors. I actually got them for their colors. They're so cute and they're quite affordable also. I got all of these, like a single pack is for 350 rupees, which I thought was, it was okay, it wasn't crazy expensive like how hair products can be sometimes. Okay, so this product claims that it provides 90% more care than a regular conditioner, and I'm just excited to see if it actually does that. Now you're supposed to apply it like once a week, possibly on like a Sunday. I'm saying it for a Sunday because it's a little time consuming. मतलब 10-15 मिनट पूरे process को लग जाते हैं, which is okay. I like investing that much amount of time in my entire hair care regime, especially on Sundays. Sundays for me is like a self-care day, so I quite enjoy that. So yeah, I'm going to be trying all of these out. You can apply your regular shampoo and conditioner on all the days of the week except Sunday, or whatever day you pick, and apply these once a week, and it's supposed to create a lot of magic. Let's see it first hits. It basically comes in 3 types, 3 variants. आपकी hair type के हिसाब से, आपकी hair problem के हिसाब से आपको वो चीज़ use करनी है. For example, अगर आपकी frizzy hair है तो आपको smooth proof pack use करना है. इसमें castor oil है, camellia है. By the way, सारे products में, by the way, तीनों variants में it's filled with superfoods, which I actually quite like. I have tried a ton of products जिसमें superfoods होते हैं, and it works brilliantly for me because I know that it's not all chemicals. It's actually like you're actually providing food to your hair, which I'm quite excited about that. So this one smooths out the hair and helps with the frizz. This one is for colored hair, which I ended up using. Now you already know that colored hair की वजह से थोड़ा बहुत damage तो होता ही है. This one is great for fixing that sort of a damage. This one has orchid and apricot seeds. Apricot seeds give like vitamin E, vitamin K to the hair, and really strengthens and nourishes the hair follicles, which is brilliant. The third variant is actually for all my dry hair gals. If you have dry hair, this one's for you because this one has aloe and spirulina. This one's called Ultra Hydrosource Pack. Now this, of course, like the name suggests, it provides a lot of hydration, a lot of nourishment. Aloe बहुत coolness, hydration anyway भी moisture lock करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है, and spirulina extract does exactly that. So for your dry hair, this one is perfect. But आपको लगाना कब है? आपको ये shampoo के बाद लगाना है. जब shampoo करके आपने shampoo धो लिया है, once you've rinsed off your shampoo and then you've rinsed off that excess water and your hair is still damp, that's when you're supposed to apply it. Okay, so now let's move on to the application part. It's actually a really fun, interesting way. It's not like your regular mask and it's not like your regular conditioner. What you have to do, it's very simple, but I'm just going to let you know that you need a little bit of time. तो जब भी आप ये plan कर रहे हो तो आप आराम से बैठ के तसल्ली से ये चीज़ करना. Section your hair in smaller sections. छोटे-छोटे sections में थोड़े-थोड़े बाल लीजिए and उसके बाद थोड़ा सा product को अपने बाल में अच्छे से, मतलब लाइक कोम इट थ्रू, पूरा प्रोडक्ट पूरे बालों में लग जाना चाहिए. उसके बाद आप उसको ट्विस्ट करिए. ट्विस्ट योर हेयर so that the product really penetrates in and you know it doesn't spread anywhere, which is very very important. So you have to section your hair, apply it thoroughly, and then twist your hair and do it with your entire head. And once it's done, keep it for 3 to 5 minutes, ideally 3 minutes, and then just rinse it off. And just finish it off with a serum and you are good to go. Honestly, no kidding, it actually really worked good for my hair. Like I said, it's not like a regular mask and it's definitely not like a regular conditioner. It is deeply nourishing. I could really feel like my hair was extremely soft. It felt so nice to touch it. It felt healthier, and I know that if I keep using it for weeks and weeks, like once every week, I know that it's going to make a huge difference. I could really see an instant result, so I'm quite happy with it. You guys go try it and let me know what your experience was like. I'm open to, you know, any sort of feedback. Just make sure that you comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I'm also going to link the product in the description box below. Make sure you find it there. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Just a regular call out. It would really mean a lot to me. And hit the like button and share this video with somebody who is suffering from hair problems. Maybe this will help him. And well, that's about it. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.